So I kind of made a mess. So today we kind of got kicked out of our room because they're gonna clean. So now we're gonna try to find this Filipino restaurant. I would so sing with someone right now. Sago, sago, buas telap sago. Give me that. Yes. That's way better than boba. Way better than boba. Filipino style, man.
The door.
And
Picture po
adobo.
tayo.
My favorite adobo. Yes, protein. Yes. Pork adobo. Give me that. Give me that.
Si ate. Ako din po pag sa fiesta po, ang in-order ko, ganito rin po, kare-kare.
So my sis is eating pangos, and pangos tastes so good. But every time she eats fish, she like the medieval thing with the goldfish and the gummy sharks, she eats the eyeballs. She shows me the eyeballs and she eats it and then she laughs.
Wow, there you go.
See, look at that devious smile. But this is some pork adobo, and it is my favorite. It is my favorite. But my mom cooks it better.
Wow.
I haven't had ube ice cream in so long.
Exciting, but it's like green.
Tampico, my love.
6 hours.
Horrible boy.
Is that my cup? Yep, that's my cup. Okay. I got my ticket for the long way. Whiskey for the way. And I sure would like to. When I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my head. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round. The one with prettiest perfume. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers, and it sure would be prettier with you. I'm gone. I'm so off. Let me know if you want me to do a cover sometime soon. Where's my towel?
What towel?
Oh.
Excuse me, Brendan.
R.I.P. to the princess that used to be. So the whole time we went to the beach yesterday, we avoided all of this. But when we want to go to church, we have to pay to use the freeway. Day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I died. I will never want much more. In my heart, I will always be sure. I will never forget you. And you will always be by my side till the day I die. Okay.
Ayan, kumukulo.
Karen, can you find Grandmama Hall a rich boyfriend?
Not sure how to help with. Karen, can you find Grandma the Hall rich boyfriend?
Okay. It's Gainesville, guys. Getting all kinds of gains. All kinds.
Oh, I forgot that.
So we...
Church.
No. No. So we just got off the church and yeah, that was pretty nice. Their singing was pretty on point, like the releases too were like. And then there was you know those windows in the churches? There's like this light blue French horn in one of the windows, and that's like the only instrument. So I am thankful. I am thankful. Thank you.
Ask them if she wants to go in the Philippines.
What can I say except you're welcome for the sun, the tide, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demiguy. Kid, honestly, I could go on and on. I could explain every natural phenomenon. The tide, the grass, the ground. Oh, there's mine just messing around. I can ill a bear, it's got a sprouted tree, and I got clean like, so what's the lesson? What does it take away? Don't miss my unbreakable tapestry on my skin. It's a map of victories I win. Look at me. Tickety tap. Orange world. Orange.
They have sweets.
Sunshine State. Sunshine. I am going to try the Nashville Hot Tenders at the KFC. Now Baymax is on. Look.
Are you done? Oh.
It's my sister's stuffed toy.
What are we doing? He's not having a time. He's not having a show yet.
But it came with pickles. I do not like the pickles. Okay, let's do this. Not even hot. Not at all. It tastes good, but it's not even hot. Nashville hot.